In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recolor an SVG in Adobe Express. We'll keep things simple and clear so you feel confident bringing your vector artwork into Adobe Express and getting it ready for color changes without any confusion. First, open Adobe Express on the web in your browser or on the mobile app. Both versions work well for this workflow. If you're on desktop, a modern, updated browser will help everything load smoothly. On mobile, make sure the app is up to date so you see the latest interface and performance improvements. Next, start a new project or open an existing one. Starting fresh is great if you want a clean canvas tailored to your artwork. Opening an existing project is perfect when your SVG is going to be part of a larger design you've already begun. Either way, you'll have a canvas where you can place your SVG and prepare it for recoloring. If you're not sure about canvas size, think about where this design will live: social posts, presentations, or print, and choose a size that matches your final destination. You can always adjust the layout later as you refine your design. Now, bring your SVG onto the canvas. Click Add or Upload and select your .svg file from your device. On desktop, drag and drop also works, which can be faster if you already have the file handy. It's important that the file is truly an SVG, not a PNG or JPG, because SVGs are vector-based. Vectors allow crisp scaling and usually give you the flexibility to adjust colors at the shape level. If you exported the file from another design tool, using clean, simple paths and solid fills will give you the best results in Express. Text that's been converted to outlines will behave like shapes, which often makes recoloring more predictable. Once the SVG is on your canvas, Adobe Express typically recognizes its vector paths. You should see that individual elements are treated like editable pieces rather than a single flattened image. Complex illustrations with groups and nested layers may appear as collections of parts. That's normal for structured vector art. Gradients and strokes from the original file are often preserved, and the way they behave can depend on how the SVG was created. If certain colors don't seem to respond the way you expect, it's often because the original file used effects or clipping that limit direct color changes. That's all there is to getting your SVG into Adobe Express, so you're ready to recolor. With the file on your canvas inside the project that suits your needs, you're set up to explore color adjustments confidently and keep your artwork looking sharp at any size.